Hey there and welcome. Now, in this video, or I've been meaning to create this video for a very long time to actually show you that you can also use Runway ML to create deepfakes, but not just deepfakes. You can actually create animations of your own self. And I actually even use this myself in some of my marketing videos that I use to market my courses. But this is the time for you to know this as well. So usually if you wanted to do deepfake, you would need some, let's just say, a bit of sophisticated knowledge that, of course, that can be transferred to you by a 3-hour deepfake tutorial. But if you don't want to go through all of that, well, you can make yourself talk like the engineer from the Matrix, or like anybody, as long as you can have a video isolated of that person basically moving their lips. And in this case, I just so happen to have a video of the engineer from the Matrix. That's just an example that I'm using.
What if you could start earning $140
No, actually, this is me
per sale?
talking.
That
So
is
what you'd
extremely
need is you'd need a video of yourself talking with the sound on, and then you would need a video of the character that you would like to talk as. Okay, and here I have the character. All right, it all goes wrong when you need it to go right sometimes, but anyways. So here we have, this is the engineer talking. All right, hopefully it works. Yes, it does. So it's not a big video, as you can see. It's only 4 seconds, but that's as far as I need. I don't need much. I just need that. And so in order for you to be able to do this, you need to go to the Runway ML app and, of course, just click on the Start a Session button. In which case, after you start a session button, you can start having fun with Act One. Now, in the past, we have covered a lot of other tools, but in this case with Runway ML, we're interested in Act One. So I would like you to click on Act One, right? And then over here, you have options. So you can either start recording a video of yourself, or like myself, if you already have a video, you can select it from the assets. And it seems here that, well, I have some in my assets library, or I think I could just be using the ones that are the one that I've just shown you right now. All right, so I can actually just drag and drop it like so. It's a pretty long video, so it's about 20 plus seconds. So it shouldn't really take that much time to load it here. But what I'm trying to do is I'm putting a video of myself talking, and I want to make that engineer talk, or I want to talk through the engineer, because that's what deepfake is all about. You talk through someone. And that's great if you want to use this. Now, it depends on what you want to use it for. A lot of people are doing pretty well with, for example, deepfake YouTube channels. I mean, I saw a YouTube channel doing extremely well, and I'm not sure if this is legal or not, but what they're doing is they basically do football character deepfakes. So football in other countries, soccer, I guess in the US they call it soccer. And so basically they do videos of Cristiano Ronaldo, of Lionel Messi, Zlatan Ibrahimovic, and these characters talking some nonsense, and using deepfakes. And I've seen these videos doing millions of views, and of course, millions of views on YouTube means a lot of money, especially on YouTube, because 1 million on YouTube, 1 million views is enough to make you over $1,000. So imagine how much you can make with a lot more. So in this case, we have the video sample that we want to use as the base, and then we need the video of the engineer talking, because the engineer talking is the character we want to be as. We want to talk through the engineer. And so I'm going to go ahead and drag the engineer talking part right up here. And as you can see, it shouldn't take that much time because that's just a 4-second one. Now, mind you that in Act One, they also provide you with some characters. So after we finish with the engineer, we will also run some deepfakes with some other characters. Now, my video is 22 seconds, so I cannot go less. I can only go for 22. I don't have that many credits left. This one alone is going to consume 110 credits. And so if I click on the generate button, it's going to put this in queue. So as you can see, it's working on it. And in the meantime, you can explore their library of videos. They have a bunch of videos. So if you want to be or speak through this person or this person or this person, you can do it. They also have 3D avatars. So if you want to speak, for example, you want this dog to be the avatar, and the dog is going to move its lips according to how you move your lips. So it's called lip sync. Okay. And then there we have this gentleman here. We have a bunch of characters. And most importantly, you also have 2D and animated characters like this, illustrated characters. But that doesn't mean that you can just use, or you have to use these, because you can just use your own, right? For example, here you can upload, in this case, in my case, I uploaded a video. In your case, you can actually upload an image if you want to, right? So you're not limited. All right, so the video is ready. The only thing left is for us to go ahead and visualize it. So let's get to it. So this is our deepfake. Let's watch this.
What if you could start earning $140 per sale? That is extremely possible with ClickBank affiliate marketing. And we devised a system purely for you. This system is new. We have developed it based on 6 months of work. We have spent a lot of money to find this particular combination, and we give it to you for a particularly low price. What if you could start earning $140?
So actually pause it there. And by the way, I think you can only add a 30-second scene, right? And that's more than enough, since other deepfake software is pretty much also the same, some are less. And you need some knowledge of Python, which in this case you don't need, because you just use a tool like, in this case, Act One of Runway ML. And it's pretty good. So from now on, I think that creating deepfakes should be easy for you. Just remember that the videos that you use shouldn't have any glasses, right? Anything that hides the face. As long as the face appears, then you can create them. And hold yourself accountable and responsible for this, what you're learning here, because what you're learning can be a double-edged sword for you, right? It's not just for me. Because if you use this in any illegal way, then you can get into trouble, right? And you know what I'm talking about. As long as you just use it for fun, maybe to create a educational video about it, or maybe just to create something fun, as long as it doesn't infringe on third-party copyright, or tries to manipulate people into thinking a certain thing, as long as you're maybe just using it for comedy. And I would advise you to document yourself about the law and regulation when it comes to this, and when it comes to the world of deepfakes, because it's not clear what you can do, what you cannot do, and people got into trouble for less. But you've acquired a new skill now. I guess that you can go ahead and use it, but just be responsible, hold yourself responsible for it, and know the law. And so that's pretty much it for this update, for this video. I wish you the best of luck, and I'll see you in the next update. Passive Income Gen Z, wishing you the best and signing out.